Namaste viewers, welcome to Dada Degula channel. Today we will try to understand two things, that is what is the difference between a solar calendar and a lunar calendar. These two are being used in India and elsewhere also in the world. But how they are different and what is the basis of this year, let us try to understand that. But before we go to the details, I request you to please like, share and then subscribe to my channel. Please post your comments after having gone through the video completely. Please do not skip the video. Please go through. There are a lot of information that are given, not only in this video. We have around many thousands of videos, roughly about 4,000 videos. So each of them, they contain different aspects, different word or whatever it is, in whatever that is being, which is in the Hindu tradition. Please go through all of them and then please post your comments. Now, coming back to this solar and lunar calendar, what do they exactly represent? See, solar means it is based on the sun. Solar based on sun. A solar calendar is based on the movement of the earth around the sun. The sun is in the center in this solar system. Sun is the center, and the time taken by the earth to go around the sun, one round around the sun, is the basis here. So supposing if you imagine some point of this on this imaginary elliptical orbit. It's an elliptical orbit, it's not a circular orbit. Elliptic means it is oval shaped movement. If you imagine as a particular point, the time taken by the earth to go around the sun and then reach that particular point, imaginary point, that is one year. Here this earth takes about 365 days, 5 hours and 48 minutes to complete one full orbit around the sun. This is the time taken. It's not exactly 365 days, it is a little more. So this period is called as the solar year. So now what happens is to make the calendar match the solar year, because it takes a little more time than 365 days, exact days. We use leap years, one extra day every 4 years. So the Gregorian calendar, which is used worldwide today, and the Hindu solar calendar, normally which is followed in the present Tamil Nadu, coastal Kerala, coastal areas and other places, they are examples of this solar calendar. So the important point here is the solar calendar follows the sun's position in the sky, especially its movement through the 12 zodiac signs. Rashi, they call it. Rashi, Mesha, Vrishabha, Karkataka, Mithuna, like this it goes on, 12 Rashis. So whenever the sun enters those, that period, that Rashi, the divisions of this, in this 365 days, that divisions. So you change this thing, you will be changing the months like that. So here each month begins when the sun enters a new zodiac sign. Mesha month, like this, Here Sankranti marks the start of the new solar month. This is how it is. So this is solar system. As against this, lunar based calendar it is called as the other one was called as Surya. Here it is Sauramana or Chandramana. Chandra means moon. Chandramana system. It is based on the moon's movement around the earth. The solar system, earth around the sun. Here, moon around earth. That is the difference. Moon going around the earth. Here, this moon takes about 29.5 days to complete one cycle from new moon to new moon. So both are exactly, both are accurate. The time taken by the earth to go around the sun is also an accurate period. Of course, this period may not coincide with the moon going around the earth. The both are different, but they are accurate. The time taken by the earth going around the sun, that is one constant thing. And similarly, the moon going around the earth is also a constant time. Both are different only. Anyway, here moon takes around 29.5 days. So this 12 lunar months, all these 29.5 into 12 months, it becomes 354 days. And this lunar calendar falls short of the solar year, by about 11 days every year. Every year there is a gap of 11 days. To adjust this difference, to match this with the solar calendar, the Hindu lunar calendar adds an extra month, which is called as Adhika Masa, roughly every 2.5 to 3 years, so that, of course, festivals and other things, to match these seasons also. So, the time taken by the earth to go around the sun and the time taken by this moon to go around the earth, they both are constant only, but there is a difference of around 11 days. So to match these two, they add one more month. It comes after about 2 or 3 years or 2.5 years. That is called as Adhika. Adhika means extra month. So the important point here is the lunar calendar follows the phases of the moon. They are all definite phases of the moon. New moon, Amavasya, full moon, Paurnami, and the 15 Tithis, what they call is lunar days in between. It is not to be misunderstood. These Tithis are not days actually, in the sense from sunrise to the next day sunrise, that is different. These Tithis might fall on different timings of the days also. So this is about the solar and then lunar calendar, or Sauramana or Chandramana. So we have made some tablet and table like this. What is the feature of the solar calendar and the lunar calendar? Basis movement of the earth around the sun. Lunar calendar is movement of the moon round the earth. Length of the year in solar calendar is 365, 354 on lunar calendar. Month length is 30 to 31 days. Depends. 29 months, 30, a few months and 31 days like that. That is according to this Gregorian calendar. Lunar calendar is 29 to 30 days. Adjustment method here in the solar thing is once in leap year, 1 day is added every 4 years to ensure that the time taken by the earth to go around the sun is kept constant. Here Adhika Masa, 1 month added every 2.5 years. Examples are Gregorian Hindu solar system in Tamil, Hindu lunar North India, Islamic Hijri calendar also follows the lunar pattern, that is the Chandramana. Hindu lunar, and then Islamic Hijri calendar also. Solar calendar is used for official and agricultural purposes. Lunar calendar used for festivals and rituals, something like that. Festivals like Diwali, Navaratri, Holi are based on the lunar calendar, Tithis and moon phases. Solar events like Makara Sankranti, Vishu, festivals, they are based on the sun's movement. So both calendars are sacred and complementary to each other. One should not first say that that is different, this is different, that is wrong, this is wrong. Both are complementary to each other. One follows the solar sun's journey, outer time, and the other follows the moon's rhythm, inner mind and emotion. Viewers, with this explanation on solar and lunar calendars, we conclude this episode. I hope this was quite interesting and very informative. With this, we conclude this episode. Please like, share, and then subscribe to our channel. Thank you, viewers, for your valuable time in listening to this. Thank you. Please like, share, and then subscribe to my channel. Thank you.